Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to cook soil. First of all, you'll need to find a bowl. It should be somewhere in your kitchen. After finding a bowl, you'll need to go to find soil. Here are some places that you may find soil: parks, gardens, inside of gutters, at the bottom of ponds, inside your mama's vag. Please kiss me. After you have got your bowl of soil, you'll need to place the bowl of soil into a microwave and microwave for about 4 minutes. I have found that microwaving soil is a lot better than the oven, and I think you should do it because I said so. After you have microwaved the soil, take the bowl of soil out and place it onto a cooling rack to let it cool off because it will be too hot. After you have let the soil cool down, you can now add seasoning or sauce to enhance the flavour. I personally like putting black pepper on my soil to give it a little spice but not too spicy, and I like to add barbecue or even ketchup depending on the mood I'm in. See, this is one of the good things about this recipe, is that you can change it to how you want, and I would like that if you have any ideas or you think there's something you could add to the soil that I haven't thought of, please leave a comment below. And that's pretty much how you cook soil. So thank you for watching, and remember to suggest any more ideas to improve the soil taste. See you in the next Cooking with Alex. Don't forget to click below and subscribe to the official Alex's YouTube channel.